Hey y'all, it's Adrienne for WDW Bound. Today we're going to take a look around one of the newest Walt Disney World resorts, the Gran Destino Tower. This tower is actually located in Coronado Springs, which is one of Disney's moderate resorts. And while this is also technically a moderate resort, the Gran Destino definitely feels more like a deluxe. First, let's take a look at a standard. Hey guys, we just checked into our standard studio at Gran Destino Tower. We did pay a little bit extra for club level access, but I don't believe that makes any difference in the rooms, except for that obviously they're a lot higher, and I'll let you see the view here in just a second. And here's the bathroom, double sinks, lots of storage below, toilet, of course. Hi. And I'm completely obsessed with that walk-in shower. Super pretty. All right, so once you entered the room, that's immediately to your right when you walk in. To the left, you've got a storage area, so you can keep your suitcases or whatever. And then you'll come to the closet, robes, and safe if you need it. All right, so from the closet, you walk straight into the living bedroom area. You have another little bench seating, desk with coffee maker and the TV. And a nice little recliner. Like I said, this is a studio, so now you've got bed number 1 and bed number 2. And a lovely mirror right there on the wall. So of course, the best part of staying club level is going to be the view. And especially the part of Gran Destino just in general is the view. So from our window, we can see from Galaxy's Edge over to Tower of Terror, some lovely construction as per usual. And there is Spaceship Earth and Epcot and the Epcot area resorts. Now, you can't see from our window, but if you go down to the end of the hall, you can see the Contemporary Resorts and Space Mountain and Cinderella Castle. So you can get a view of all of those fireworks just from our little end of the hall, and 2 sets of fireworks from our room specifically. All right, so this is the standard studio club level, ignore the Incredibles that my kids are watching, club level room. We love this room so far. We'll give you an update whenever we check out. Located on the 16th floor is the Kronos Club, the lounge available to club level guests. Gran Destino is the only moderate resort to include club level options, and with all club levels or club lounges, complimentary food and beverages are available throughout the day, including alcoholic options. We spent a good amount of time here in the lounge on our most recent stay, just enjoying the view, playing some board games, and sampling a lot of the food options throughout the day. The entryway and the lobby areas of this resort are stunning. You can clearly see the Spanish influences with subtle and not so subtle Disney touches. My new favorite hidden Mickey right there. Now, besides all the dining options at Coronado Springs that are available, Gran Destino boasts a new table service restaurant, access to a bar and grill, and 2 bar lounges. We thoroughly enjoyed our stay here, and is the cheapest of all the club level offerings. It was a nice introduction to those extra amenities. As always, please comment below to let us know what you think about the Gran Destino, and if you like what you've seen today, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see y'all next time.